Hello, this is Pablo, sales manager for C3 Systems. Today, introducing the new sliding glass systems with industrial decorative profiles, the most requested system for architects and interior designers, with all the profiles vertical and horizontal in black, and also all the accessories available in black color as well. Opening devices available, ring handle, K-lock, and knob. It's the perfect system for separate the spaces, internal and external, in an elegant way. With this new design, great option for housing, offices, and Oreca channel. Once we open the panels, we have a lot of space with no obstacles and for free passing.